there, it's Katie with WTI, and I love everything about this teepee from PlayVibe. It has been such a welcome addition to our play area. First of all, it's so portable. I can easily move it from room to room in our house, whether it's upstairs, downstairs in the basement, or even outside with so much ease. I don't have to break anything down. I just pull all the poles together and move it. That also means it's great for storing away. I don't have enough room in my house to have this teepee set up all of the time. It was also really easy to put together. There are 4 poles that go together with some little connectors, and then you stick them into the holes at the top of the teepee, and voila, you are done. They've also really paid attention to detail. On the inside are some great deep pockets that you can put books into, so you can create this nice little reading corner for your kids. And it also has ties along the flaps. Even when it's closed, you can still see in because there are windows. How adorable are they? It even comes with these bonus star lights that are battery operated and have 2 different modes to choose from. The material is nice and durable, and it doesn't feel like something that is going to easily rip or be destroyed. I also think that this would make an adorable photography prop for your little one. So if you've been looking for a great way to add a little whimsy to your children's play area, then adding this teepee is a top-notch choice. But that's just my point of view.